talking. Now yours. Grab Rudolph. Come here. Now, grab it by the toe and pour it out. Tip it upside down. There you go. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go. That's it. Now what did you get? What did you get? Ooh, candy cane. What else you get? Wait, keep looking, see what you got. Look, what else did you get? Ooh, that's for your hair. See?
Oh, pretty.
For your hair.
Hey,
You got raisins. What else? Hurry up, keep looking. A new toothbrush. Ooh. What else? Ooh, glitter crayons. Ooh. What's that? No, what is it? No, they're not balloons. Look, it's a knife and fork. It's a fork and spoon. A Barney. No. Go panties. Just like Mommy's.
No poo poo poo.
That's right. No go poo poo in these and no go pee pee. Okay?
Hey, look!
Oh, wow! Wow. So no go poo poo and no go pee pee in these. And you be just like Mommy.
I want to like these.
You want color? No, we play with our toys after we open up all our presents, okay? Okay?
I'm following.
Here we go. Ooh, raisins. And a toothbrush. And toothpaste.
We're planning ahead.
Ooh, and look. Bananas. And a snowman. And baby lotion. And baby oil. Rich and creamy baby oil. All right. Yay. Above the camera.
Let's start it rocking. That's better.
Daddy turn. Head up.
You got another one? Yeah, I like it.
Banana came for Bob, right underneath Becky. That's it. To Bobby from Mom and Dad. Go put it over there. To Jenny from Aunt Carrie and Patrick, but up there on top. To Jenny from Aunt Kim.
Oh my goodness.
To Bobby and
And
Judy
Jeff.
from Mom and Dad. One at a time. To Becky.
Becky got a lot of things, huh?
To Judy and Bob from Mom. Hey, go bring this over to Mommy. Jenny. Bring this over to Mommy. Let's see. Let me see that one there too. Bring that one to Mommy. This one is yours.
Wait a minute, what about mine? Where's mine? Go get
Bring it
mine.
to Mommy.
Thank you.
Okay. Go climb back under there. Pull up some more. You're a good little helper. Ugh, I know. So heavy. Grab another one. To Jenny from Mom and Dad.
Go nuts, come on, hurry. Hurry. Don't be so. There you go. All right. There you go.
Oh, coloring book.
It's a Barney coloring book. Barney and Baby Bob coloring book.
From
Yeah.
Candy and CJ and Steve.
Yeah. That's from Granny. This is from Granny.
Hey, Winnie.
No. from
you.
Granny. Granny gave that to you. Oh, wow! Do you know what those are?
Yeah.
What are they?
Granny.
Yeah, what are they though?
Bonnie.
Barney what?
Bonnie shoes.
Yeah, Barney shoes. Thank you. Granny and Ginger. A snowman.
Sippy cup.
It's a sippy cup with a straw. Look, see? The straw? Wow. Okay, let's put it on the couch. Let's see. It is from Aunt Kim. No, you don't. You can leave the tag on. What is it? Oh! What is it? They're barrettes. They go in your hair.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. No, wait. We gotta wait till we open up the rest of the presents, okay? Jerry and Patrick. No.
What was it?
Wait.
What's
The
that?
box is not open. Ooh!
Oh
Ooh,
boy.
pretty. Is this from you? Yeah. From Granny. Okay. Now you can leave it. Wow!
My tea party.
It's a tea party. Yeah, for Jenny. You can play with it after we open up all the rest of your presents, okay? This one. This is from Mom and Dad.
Oh, I wonder what it is.
Here, or do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? What is it? Yes, it's for the swimming pool. And look, it's got a hood. It's got a hood.
You got your name on it too, hasn't it?
Yeah.
There's another little one down there by her foot.
Okay.
Who's that one there from?
Who's this from? Nana and Grandpa. Wow. No, gotta wait till we get all the rest of them done. That's a baby Dino. It's a radio controlled baby Dino. Oh boy.
I can't see you, Jenny.
From Ho Ho.
Hurry, Jenny.
Just grab it right here and tear. Grab right there. Grab right there.
Industrial wrapped.
Tell Granny wrap that one. Open up the box. Want some help?
Tape down?
Want me to help you out?
The tape down?
Okay, there you go. No, don't pull it. Okay, open it up.
Empty box and paper.
It's a necklace! A sparkling necklace, look like your Barney one. Yeah. Danny, grab the box.
I bet that's a tie.
It's a date. It's a magic wand.
Face it towards me.
What's that?
Here. No. See, this is tied at the top. So all we need to do is untie the bow. There you go. You got it. What is it? It's a laundry machine. You can do your laundry now. Look, it's upside down. See?
Hey.
You don't have to wait till we finish, honey.
Help her, Mommy.
Let's do it. Together.
Let's go nuts!
Come on.
What do you think, Jenny?
You know what it is?
Rebecca's.
You know what this is?
Rebecca's.
Just like Rebecca's, huh?
Yes, but it's now Jenny's. So wait till we open up all the other presents. From Ho-Ho. No, don't worry about the
I guess
tag.
you won't be saving the papers. Oh, I like
We
it.
don't save the papers.
My recipe it over.
Do you know what that is? You know what this is? It's your very own watch. It's a Barney watch.
And it's got a story.
Wow, and it's got a book to go with it. Good start for you. There you go.
Ow.
Sorry.
Where are you going to put these things?
Alright, it's alright. Okay, let's switch it over first. From Nana and Grandpa Bob. Now this is the way you open up presents.
I know.
Oh, look at that.
What is it? It looks like it's an Elmo. A baby Elmo. Aunt Kim and Uncle King. Whoa! It's a teddy bear rattle.
Oh,
And another rattle.
who's CJ look like?
CJ looks just like Becky. The pictures we've seen.
Oh,
Yeah, CJ knew she needed socks, huh?
Yeah.
yeah? That's a pair of shoes.
Oh, I know what this is.
That's a pair of shoes.
He's eating me too.
No.
Oh!
Go Red Sox!
Where'd you get that?
That's Becky's. It's Becky. Here you go, Becky.
Where'd you get that?
Go Red Sox. Go Red Sox.
Yeah, right.
Enthusiasm.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
It's Bambi.
A Bambi.
Bambi?
Not Bambi, it's Thumper.
Thumper.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
As I say, I think we'll have to have another house, bigger house.
Ooh. Pop-up birdie. Okay.
She should have.
Becky from Granny. Is there another one there? Oh, Merry Christmas!